Next is the 1921 Rauch-Lang C55 double control coach. Now, guess what this car is? From 1921. Why, it's an electric car.
That's right.
How cool is that? People go, well, there was no electric cars back in the 1900s. Well, yes, there were.
Mm-hmm.
There were quite a few of them back then, especially were important, and they used them in big cities.
Right.
Which is what makes sense for an electric car, as long as you're not far from wherever it is your
They probably had a very
home base.
very low range.
Yeah, I mean, 5 miles maybe.
But you had to be wealthy to have.
Yeah, because you had to have a whole kind of panel that goes to your house that plugged in, and it looked like it was this weird. Have you ever seen those?
No, the old ones. The old
style ones. They're this weird looking panel with all these resistors and things and brass pieces, and kind of cool though. But anyway, this is black over floral print and red. The interior is quite interesting.
Dramatic.
On this car. Rarer than rare. Early Americana electric car. 48 volt electrics. It's just nicely preserved too. It's just a neat old car.
It is really.
It's in our main showroom if you get a chance. If you're here, and if you're not, classicautomall.com.